see? Green Acres, Adult Community, Wellton, or Wellton.
Wellton.
A lot of RV parks here. Another small town in Arizona. There you go. Let him go by. Drinking water. Two-lane road, one-lane road. I'll make it two-lane road. It's just two-lane. Alright, propane tanks. Nice little town. So far. Should I go that way or go straight?
Go straight.
Okay. Cafe, restaurants. Seems like I was closed. Welcome hunters, cafes, building sheds, grocery store. They got an auto parts store in Napa.
From what I read, all the stuff we're seeing is not said in the
videos.
No, nobody's done a video here.
Oh.
The Google it. All it says is that there's 3 parks here. Doesn't say anything about anything else.
Okay, we got a library. A little Bangor.
We got a bank.
Emergency solution, whatever. Dollar Tree, Family Dollar. All in one. Got a Circle K. Got gasoline. Coyote at 29th Avenue, what? Yuma County offices or what? Justice Courts, President Sheriff's Department, substation. Got a little bit of everything here, so if you get in trouble, the sheriff is close by. And Butterfield Park. See, there's the freeway, and you see this right here to the left, all this RV, and that's where you see it, so you don't see nothing down there because the trees are blocking it. Some kind of repair shop over there. There's more. Car tire shop. That's a gas station.
Del Sol. It's either grocery store or it's a restaurant.
And this is the way, that's all it is in Wellington.
It's the end of it. This goes out onto the freeway. Wellton.
RV parks. Irrigation or something. Market Del Sol. This is market on. Selling them for sale. I guess I decided to stay here. No, the sign.
Hi in here.
Open or closed?
It's closed.
Yeah. Well, there's the museum. And it says, looks like it says it's closed. See what they got any hours. Walk on partner. 3 p.m. We got 2 minutes. Well, sorry folks. Next time. We went to Wellton over there, and Dateland, and it was something different. Maybe we'll come back. They got some stuff in the back out there, but well, there's an old motorhome there. Yeah, I'll go up here.
This is like a cafe, snack bar.
I don't know, whatever it is, it's closed. It looks like it might be an old motorhome.
I'm hoping this is recording because
It should say,
I can't see the screen.
it says green on top.
It's recording there.
Well, it's,
We're testing this camera out.
but that's the way it is. Okay, tacos.
Hot dogs,
Got food courts if anybody wants in some
and they're
food.
closed.
There's a little RV spot. I guess you can buy an RV spot. I have no idea. Maybe it's a no trespassing. Lost BRV park, I guess. I go real slow.
school zone. Let's see. Tamales, barbecue, enter. And it's like a drive-through. Family liquidation. I have no idea if this is going to work.
This is the fire department, isn't it?
Yeah, this is.
Well, just keep doing it till
Oh.
we come up with something.
Fire department, Circle K. Their gas unleaded is $3.19. Diesel is $4.99. I mean $3.99. Excuse me.
Is that still a recording?
Yeah, that's still recording. And then we got engine mechanic shop. We're just doing one side of the street here. Ed Whitehead tire repair.
No, that's not here. That's in Yuma, I think.
That's a pretty house. Adobe. And there's 3 RV parks here in Wellton.
There's more than that. There's some small ones too.
Oh yeah, well I'm talking about the big ones. And 5 per 75 cents. Napa store, town hall, next to the Napa store, so if you got any complaints, that's where you go. And the police department's next to that, and the post office is next to that. So you have the post office, the police station, and the town hall all in one area. About 20 feet apart, if that. And we're back at the end of the west end of town. What's that? Hives?
It's a restaurant.
Hives Pizzeria.
Pizzeria. It's a restaurant pizzeria. They got good food. That's what I heard. We've heard. We didn't stop because we not hungry. It's 3 o'clock in the afternoon.
So that's the end of it.
And
now we're
there's
in
a
the
little
trees.
park right there. See? They got a little park there so you can have a picnic area. I don't know if they'll let you. I guess you could pull with a RV and sit there and just have a little quick breakfast or lunch, take a little walk, walk the dog. Right next to the propane tanks. Okay.
We're back into farmland.
Okay, we'll see you.